So today I'm going to work on trying to get this center carrier out. I'm going to buff the paint off of those studs best I can. Get some Crete sprayed on those, and I'm going to start trying to get that out. Before I do that, I've got one more bolt down here on the bottom that was really tight the other day. I put some heat on it. I was about to snap my ratchet, so hopefully today it decides it wants to come out. Once I get that one bolt out, I can go ahead. I've got all the bolts out for this housing. We'll pull this housing, just pull that axle tube out, and that center carrier should be ready to pull. Interested to see what it looks like in there. If it's all rusted up, there's teeth missing, there's no telling this truck pulling sleds, or even if it's ever been into in 25 years. Just see if it's condensated up, rusted up. By the looks of the pinion, it's not looking good, but one thing's for sure, when I get done with it, it will be rebuilt and ready to roll again. So let me get this set up on the stand and get started on this. Okay, so we got the carrier pulled. I don't see any pitting on the ring gear. Everything looks pretty good on it. No chunks missing. Got a guy at a local shop here tomorrow that actually does differentials. And I'm gonna drop this off to him. We can get these axles identified. He can cross the numbers on them. And I can get y'all the gear ratios. I know a lot of people have been asking me, well, what ratio is it? And I'm gonna try to get the ratio on this and the planetary so we get the final output. But yeah, so hopefully get this looked at, get the bearings gone through, get new bearings put on that pinion, and get all the clearances set on it. Get this ready to go back together. And the outsides are actually pretty simple. Just need to clean those up, get all new seals for them, new packings, and get all that cleaned up. Be going back together with it. So, thanks for watching.